Good day, ma'am. I am Diana May Y. Bahadi from BIS BA3. So I will be discuss the topic that I chose, which is access the role of central banks during financial crises, such as the 2008 global financial crisis or the COVID-19 pandemic. How did their actions influence market stability and economic recovery? Critically, evaluate whether their interventions were effective and what lessons can be learned for future crisis management. The 2008 crisis was triggered by a collapse in the U.S. housing market. As mortgage default soared, banks faced severe liquidity shortages, leading to a global credit crunch. Central banks responded with a variety of measures, including interest rate cuts, lowering interest rates to stimulate borrowing and investment, quantitative easing, purchasing government bonds and other securities to inject liquidity into the economy, providing liquidity to banks, offering emergency loans to prevent bank failures. While these measures help to stabilize markets and prevent a complete economic collapse, they also had a potential drawback such as inflation and asset bubbles. The COVID-19 pandemic presented a unique challenge for central banks. Lockdowns and economic shutdowns led to a sharp decline in economic activity and increased uncertainty. Central banks responded by further interest rate cuts, lowering rates to near zero levels, expanded QA programs, increasing asset purchases to support the economy, targeted lending facilities, providing credit to struggling businesses and households. While these measures help to mitigate the economic fallout of the pandemic, they also raise concerns about long-term consequences such as increased government debt and financial instability. Central bank intervention during financial crises can be effective in stabilizing markets and preventing economic collapse. However, they also carry risks such as inflation and asset bubbles. Key lessons for future crisis management include early and decisive action, coordination among central banks, and the use of flexible and innovative policy tools. Central banks play a crucial role in safeguarding the global economy during times of crisis. By understanding their actions and the lesson learned, we can better prepare for future challenges and ensure a more resilient financial systems.